Hello everyone, welcome to Foodology by Dipali. Today you're going to love me because we are going to be making a chocolate peanut butter cheesecake. There's chocolate, there's peanut butter and it's a cheesecake. What's there not to love? So let's see the ingredients we need for the chocolate peanut butter cheesecake. So let's see the ingredients. We need digestive cookies. I've taken about 200 grams or about 24-25 cookies should be enough, and 80 grams of butter. These are going to be for the base of the cheesecake. Then of course we will need chocolate, peanut butter, and we will need some condensed milk, cream and paneer. This is regular paneer that is available in the market. We need 1 tablespoon of gelatin and quarter cup of water to dissolve it in, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we use a mixer jar to just grind these digestive cookies to a fine powder. We warm the butter on low flame and we mix the biscuit crumbs very well into the melted butter. For the cheesecake, I'm taking a spring foam tin. It's one of those tins where the bottom comes off. This is a 9-inch pan. You can get smaller ones in the market. So we transfer this mixture to our loose bottom pan and we spread it evenly on the base. A bowl, and I am trying to nicely flatten the base of the cheesecake. So we'll just keep this base which has been prepared in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes for the butter to harden. So we take our chocolate and we keep it in the microwave at short spurts for 30 seconds each time to melt the chocolate. We take the paneer and we put it in the mixer jar. We put the paneer and the condensed milk in the mixer jar and we run it till it's completely smooth. Condensed milk have well blended. Then we add the peanut butter to the mixture. We put the water in the gelatin and we soak it for some time and leave it to dissolve. Maybe run it in the microwave for about 10 seconds to keep it warm. Well blended, we add cream to it also. We add the salt to the mixture as well and we blend it again till it's absolutely smooth. Now we take this well blended mixture and we put it in a large bowl. To this mixture we add the dissolved gelatin and the melted chocolate. We mix the entire mixture till it's completely mixed up. I've mixed this for about a minute and now the entire ingredients are mixed in their gorgeous goodness, and we'll transfer the entire mixture on top of our prepared cheesecake. We level the mixture, give it a tap and keep it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours minimum to set. We prepared the cheesecake earlier. That has been resting in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours now and it's completely set. So now I'm going to tell you how to demold this cheesecake. We take a bowl of warm water and we put a kitchen towel in it. Squeeze out the water and put the hot cloth all along the edges of the cheesecake. This will help to loosen the sides from the cheesecake. Now we just open the springform tin and remove the ring. We would like to remove the cheesecake from this base also so that we can serve it on our wonderful crystal platter over here. So we do the same thing again. We take our kitchen towel, which has been put in hot water, and we place the cheesecake on the towel. This will melt the butter in the base and loosen the cheesecake from the bottom. Just run a palette knife all along. And voila, the cheesecake will simply slide off the platter. So now we'll decorate our cheesecake. I've got this gold liquid decorations which I'm going to